The word inflammation is often thrown around when talking about a cut or a wound, but do you really know what it means and what's going on in your body when it happens? Inflammation is one of the tools our immune system uses to keep foreign entities and pathogens, like bacteria or viruses, from causing damage to our bodies. When the immune system detects any foreign invader, it sends blood, antibodies, and proteins to fight it. This is a good thing because it helps with healing. That process is acute inflammation, and it's probably what comes to mind first when you think of inflammation. A lesser-known type of inflammation is chronic inflammation. This refers to inflammation that lingers for months or even years, and it's not good for you. It leaves your body in constant alert and can be very harmful over time, playing a role in many debilitating health problems. There are several different causes for chronic inflammation in the body, such as smoking, having obesity, chronic stress, exposure to chemicals and pollutants, and eating certain foods. At the same time, some foods can help you fight inflammation, and that is exactly what we will show you. But first, what is an anti-inflammatory diet? Some foods contain ingredients that can trigger or worsen inflammation. Sugary or processed foods may do this, while fresh, whole foods are less likely to affect. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on fresh fruits and vegetables. Many plant-based foods are good sources of antioxidants. Some foods, however, can trigger the formation of free radicals. Examples include foods that people fry in repeatedly heated cooking oil. Free radicals are the natural byproducts of some bodily processes, including metabolism. Free radicals can lead to cell damage. This damage increases the risk of inflammation and can contribute to a range of diseases. Here are 10 foods to consider picking up during your next grocery trip. 1. Berries. Berries are small fruits that are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce your risk of disease. 2. Kale. Kale is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties and contains various phytonutrients and antioxidants that help protect our bodies against cellular damage. Kale helps benefit everything from glowing skin and healthy eyes to a powerful digestive system and strong bones. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of protein and the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA reduce inflammation that can lead to metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease. 4. Pineapple. This delicious fruit packs a big punch. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C and contains bromelain, which may help stimulate protein digestion, reduce gut inflammation, and boost immune function. Add pineapple to your fruit plate, smoothies, or juice to help fight inflammation, enhance digestion, and keep your immune system strong. 5. Avocados. Avocados may be one of the few supposed superfoods worthy of the title. They're packed with potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain carotenoids and tocopherols, which are linked to reduced cancer risk. In addition, one compound in avocados may reduce inflammation in young skin cells. 6. Beets. Like cherries contain anthocyanins, beets contain different phytochemicals, called betalains, that act similarly in the body to fight off inflammation. Whether you add beets to your juicer or roast them to use as a salad topper, you'll be getting a healthy dose of helpful nutrients. 7. Mushrooms. Antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory mushrooms contain various compounds that can help improve immunity and lower inflammation throughout the body. They consist of long-chain polysaccharides called beta-glucan, which promotes a strong immune system and houses a powerful antioxidant called ergothioneine that can help fight inflammation. Mushrooms are a great source of protein, fiber, and various B vitamins, too. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a strong, earthy flavor often used in curries and other Indian dishes. It has received a lot of attention for its content of curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory nutrient. Turmeric reduces inflammation related to arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. Finally, what are foods that cause inflammation? Try to avoid or limit these foods as much as possible. 1. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and pastries. 2. French fries and other fried foods. 3. Soda and other sugar-sweetened beverages. 4. Red meat, burgers, steaks, and processed meat, hot dogs, sausage. 5. Margarine, shortening, and lard. Takeaway. An anti-inflammatory diet may help reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of some common health conditions. There is no single anti-inflammatory diet, but a diet that includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthful fats may help manage inflammation. Make sure that you are adding enough anti-inflammatory foods to your body to stay healthy.